I didn't have any experience before, so that's my first experience, and these 8 weeks, of course, totally changed like my life, I would say. Yeah. And the thing is, it's the different language for me anyway. So I would say, yeah, from zero to hero, maybe. Yeah. It's always better when someone experienced look at you from the side. Yeah. So it's changed like everything. As I said, I didn't have any experience before, so totally new. And then, yeah, it's made my base of acting, I would say. Constantly, I would say, every class here, everyone is supporting each other. We all, someone have more experience, someone not, but anyway, we're all the same and always like supported. Well, just join. I mean, this is something unique, especially in Dubai. You cannot find anything else like this. So yeah, that's definitely worth it to come here. I appreciate a lot that Coach Leo, especially because he was the only coach here in this workshop. He taught us life of acting, how it works, especially how it works here in Dubai because it's different, it's growing. So yeah, that's the most appreciated. Yeah.